In this video, I'm going to talk about something that I've recently discovered, taking Mounjaro. I've been on it since June, as you know, of last year. I'm currently at 15 milligrams. This is a big deal, guys. I'm going to share it with you guys because I've been on 15 milligrams for about 2 months now, and I'm kind of leading the way in the charge, I should say, in the 15 milligrams because I've been on it longer. Most people have not made it to 15 milligrams, and some people have just recently in the last week or two made it to 15 milligrams. But I have been on 15 milligrams for 2 months now. So stay tuned. After this intro, we'll get right into it. Okay, guys, so I've been on 15 milligrams for 2 months now, Mounjaro. Every month now, I've done really well with Mounjaro. I've increased my dosage monthly. I've had only a little bit of setbacks as far as constipation and just a little, stomach GI issues that, you'll see on this channel. You've already heard, if you follow me on this channel, some of the things that I dealt with. But one thing that I've noticed, and I've talked about this before, on 10 and 12.5, that's when I started noticing my appetite being suppressed. Started noticing I wasn't eating as much. I started losing weight. That's where the weight was dropping like crazy. And then 15, it's been the same. It's been, just progressing, getting better and better and better. But as I've been on Mounjaro 15 milligrams for the last 2 months, one thing that I've been noticing, my appetite suppression hasn't worked very well. When I first take the 15 milligram dosage, the first day or two, it's like a punch in the gut. I feel really, really full. I feel like I don't want to do nothing. But then after 24 to 48 hours, guys, I start getting hungry again. And when I eat, I'm starting to notice that I'm eating a little bit more than I used to for a while when I started having an appetite suppressant. So let me know in the comments below if you're on 15 milligrams and if you are dealing with these issues with not having that full appetite suppressant after a couple days. Because I'd like to know if it's just me or if it's other people. I'm sure it's not just me. I'm starting to feel like, we've reached the top of the 15 milligrams and it's starting to not be as good. With that said, I'm not saying it's not going to help your glucose and it's not helping your A1C, because my glucose levels are still great. But the appetite suppressant is the thing that's concerning, because if you are going to lose all this weight and not eat as much, it could be a scary thing to get all that appetite back and start eating a lot more. So anyways, guys, wanted to jump on here, do a little rant, give a little review, give a little education of what I've started noticing. If you haven't liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps the video. It helps with the algorithm. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd love to have you part of my community. I'd love to help you along this journey. And as we move through and pave this way and of charge and figure out how Mounjaro is and how it affects us as diabetics type 2, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way it'll notify you every time I post a video like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will catch you on the next one.